Good morning. This is call number 2011-60461 in the interest of Grant Garcia. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Terry Garcia, I'm Grant's mother.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Taji Garcia, I'm his father.
And for the state.
Angela Jeffries, Your Honor, for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right. We've got a suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support arrearage.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that okay? We're having a hearing.
Well, Your Honor, we're just approaching right now. We might need a hearing. The state would like to at least enter a temp order today, but Ms. Garcia, who's also an attorney, has requested that the case be transferred to district court. This case has CPS involvement, so I just wanted to approach on those issues first.
Mr. Garcia,
Yes.
what is your, you have a motion to transfer this to the district court? Is that what you're saying?
Ms.
Yes.
Garcia.
You said Mrs.
Oh,
Garcia.
Mrs. Garcia.
Miss Garcia.
Okay, Miss Garcia, go ahead. Miss Garcia.
Your Honor, I think that the CPS involvement and those issues are going to be over very soon, probably in the next 30 to 60 days. So that's my only holdup on entering a temporary order. I just was thinking that the district court could handle all of it so that when we get to final orders, we'll just have final orders in place. I don't necessarily have any objections to what the Attorney General, Ms. Jeffries, has suggested, because technically Grant has been,
Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Right now, we're just talking about transferring this matter to the district court.
Well,
is that
what
is the reason for that?
Well, my only holdup in entering a temporary order was that there's already pending matters in the district court.
What's pending in the district court?
The temporary conservatorship of our son by CPS.
So CPS is involved in this matter at this time?
Yes,
there is a suit?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then the 308 district court has to hear this matter if there's a CPS suit pending.
That was, and I wanted just to put out that I had really no objections to what Ms. Jeffries had suggested about the temporary order with respect to temporarily with the child support, but it was my belief that maybe the district court should just be handling all of the issues at play.
So, Your Honor, can I ask, could we do the temp order and still transfer it, or are you just saying you want to transfer it all to the 308?
If you haven't agreed temporary order?
Well, I'm just now hearing from Ms. Garcia that she would be open to us modifying the order down to 0 as of November 1st, 2020. So I don't know that we have that agreement, Your Honor.
Is that your agreement, Ms. Garcia?
I have no objection to a kind of like, I would call it almost a bridge or a temporary order in place where Mr. Garcia was temporarily did not have to pay child support beginning on November 1st. Because that's commensurate with what is already in place temporarily with the district court order. That order was entered on November 3rd. And that order
that order is already entered?
Yes, Your Honor, it was entered on November 3rd. It's a temporary order, and in that order, I think that any child support was to be routed to CPS.
All right. I'm going to transfer this case to the 308 district court without any type of orders at this time.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And no mediation at this time, I'm assuming, because of the CPS involvement, Your Honor?
Yes. Okay.
Maybe go to John.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, so